Students, now see the text of the poem. He that loves a rosy cheek. In this line, the poet says that he means a man who loves a rosy cheek, means cheeks that are as red as rose are rose-like cheeks, are coral lips admires. Or he again says in this line that the person who praises the lips that are as deep red as the precious stone corals is, or from star-like eyes, are the person who loves the star-like eyes, means eyes that are romantic and star-like, and the person who loves the rosy cheeks and coral lips admires and seeks means खोजता है in the star-like eyes. What he seeks? Fuel to maintain his fires. It means that person who loves any woman or any person whose cheeks are rosy, lips are like coral and eyes are like a star, too much romantic, and he seeks his fuel to maintain his fires. It means his intensity of love. The intensity of love depends on the fuels of the rosy cheek, coral lips and star-like eyes. And forward, the poet says, as old time makes this decay, one thing is permanent, that physical beauty decays with the passage of time. So, as old time makes this decay, it means as the time passes on, the beautiful cheeks, coral lips and star-like eyes are also decayed, or they are not too much beautiful as they were in the beginning when the lady was young. So his flames must waste away. So the poet is saying that a person who is seeking in rosy cheeks, coral lips and star-like eyes his fuel to maintain the intensity of his fire of love, when these things are decayed, the flames of his love also waste away. So in this stanza, the poet says that with the decay of physical beauty, the intensity of the lover's love also decays, because the physical beauty is not permanent and it passes away at the time passes on. In the next stanza, the poet admires or glorifies the spiritual beauty that never dies even after the death of the person or the lady. See the lines, but a smooth and steadfast mind. It means the gentle and serene mind, the gentle and the serenity of mind, means the steadfastness or the peacefulness or the serenity of the mind. Gentle thoughts means calm thoughts and calm desire and peaceful desires, hearts with equal love combined, and where the heart is combined with equal love. Kindle, never dying fires. Kindle means so students, when we are face to face in the class, the teacher asks before teaching the word meanings of the poem or any lesson, once I tell you about the meanings, then again when I start the teaching text, I ask you what the kindle means. Kindle means excite. लिसन, काइंडल नेवर डाइंग फायर्स, यानी कभी न बुझने वाली आग को वो जलाता है। वेयर दीज आर नॉट, जहाँ पर ये नहीं है, आई डिस्पाइज, यानी मैं हेट करता हूँ। डिस्पाइज मतलब हेट करता हूँ, मैं हेट करता हूँ। लवली चीक्स आर लिप्स आर आइज, यानी पोएट कहता है मैं वहाँ पर लवली चीक्स को, आइज को और लिप्स को हेट करता हूँ क्योंकि ये परमानेंट नहीं है।